Breaking news: mobile learning is taking over the classroom. This new emerging technology is reshaping how students learn in the classroom. This is Chloe Carpenter, and I'm coming to you live with up-to-date information about mobile learning within the classroom. Mobile learning is now being used to complete coursework, fieldwork, collaboration, and other activities. So let's talk to a local high school student about their experience with mobile learning in the classroom. We spoke with two high school students about their experience with mobile learning. Austin is in 11th grade and Claire is in 10th. First, we spoke with Austin. He said, "I really enjoy mobile learning in the classroom. I'm able to complete assignments, quizzes, create posters, make videos, and even compete in review games. I can basically do everything through my phone. It's awesome." Next, we spoke with Claire, and Claire said, "I love mobile learning. Most people bring their cell phones to school anyway, so why not use them in the classroom? Some even use tablets in place of cell phones. I really hope teachers continue to use mobile learning in the future." It was really nice talking to these high school students and seeing what they thought about mobile learning within their classrooms and the impact it's had on their learning. So thanks for sharing your thoughts with us. Mobile learning is a new way for students to access learning content through mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Students can access material whenever and wherever. Mobile devices can even be used to implement blended learning. This is when students learn face-to-face as well as online. Many colleges have already implemented this learning approach. So in college, a lot of students do their work online while in their dorm rooms or at home, and then they come in and discuss the content and do activities with it. And this is similar to what they would do in a normal standard public school classroom. The students would take their work and do it at home and then come in and apply what they've learned through projects and even through assignments and different posters and videos. Now let's watch this pros and cons video about mobile learning within the classroom. Now that we know some of the pros and cons to mobile learning within the classroom, let's talk about what tools should be used to implement mobile learning. Mobile learning is possible when using an LMS or a learning management system. Through the LMS, students can take tests, access course work, watch videos, and much more. There are other great programs and websites students can use to engage in the lessons, such as Kahoot, Polls Everywhere, and Quizlet Live. Mobile learning is currently being implemented in classrooms all over the world. Students are now learning and accessing content through cell phones and tablets anytime, anywhere. The way students are learning and taking in new information is completely being reshaped. The COVID-19 pandemic has definitely aided in the application of mobile learning. The learning process and learning environment is always changing. Thanks for tuning in. Check out these resources for more information about mobile learning.